All right, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny.
I'm Dylan.
And this week's going to be kind of interesting. We're going to talk a little bit about a couple of short positions I put on. I'm kind of learning spreads, so I put a spread against Nikola. See our Nikola video, I'll attach that here. And then also against Palantir after their blowout earnings.
Palantir, all right. If you like this kind of entertaining stock market content and option spread learning, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. We're just two stupid guys trying to figure everything out. So,
all right, we'll get to it.
Two stupid guys trade stocks.
All right, so Nikola, like I said, see our other video. We kind of went through the story about Trevor Milton and all that sort of stuff. The more I learned, the more disgusting everything got. So I've been kind of like working with Dylan a little bit and learning a little bit more about swing trading. I'm more of a value-oriented guy. But I was looking at the chart here, and to me, it doesn't look like there's really any support. I saw a spinning top here. So I was kind of looking for this downward trend to kind of continue here. So my play, like I said, I've been playing also with option spreads, is that this was just this past week. I sold to open the August 20th, so that's expiring next Friday, $9 call. I opened two of those for $1.15 credit. And as insurance, just in case, something came out and all of a sudden they do have hydrogen or something like that.
Don't hold your breath, man.
I know. Yeah, I know, right? I bought some insurance at $10 call, 53 cents a piece. So basically I received $124 credit up front. My max loss on this is $76. Yeah.
I think it's fairly safe.
Yeah, and max gain 124. As of Friday close, there was already a $24 gain basically from this position because Nikola is continuing down on the downward trend that it's been on. When it comes to a stop, I don't know. I mean, I figured I felt relatively confident would continue for the next week, but I couldn't really predict too much further in the future than that,
Yeah, I'm also I probably should put my in there. I'm also short Nikola with the January 22nd puts $5 strike price. I have 4 of them, so I got $200 on it. I don't have the safety of the spread because I don't think I need it. It's a horrible company. So
yeah. I know, I hear you, man. You got the Nikola chart?
I do. I have it up.
All right, well, there we go. So yeah, I mean, like I said, you're the swing trader. What do you see when you look at the Nikola chart here?
Well, so this is all like super like low volume and stuff because they're introduced via SPOC, right?
Yeah.
And I don't remember that exact rule, but like I can't really go below a certain number. I don't remember the exact thing. So like when you look at these, like there's like nothing happening. Yeah. So we're down here like 950 is like the lowest. But anyways, the whole zoom out. This is their line of support. 938. What do you think they're at right now?
They're pretty close to that. They're about 945, I would say.
Let's zoom in. We're chilling at 953, and we're being held up by that whole thing before the actual SPOC went off, and this dip here. If I had to guess, I'm going to say it goes back up to like $12 and then goes down to Dylan's and Vinny are rich.
We'll see.
I'm going like $6.
I mean, it's definitely possible.
I think you'd have to be blind to not see that this is a downtrend. I think everyone can agree on that. Also, all the lines are going down. Oh, Vinny, I can't hear you.
So we got a fair amount of hate in that last video, but a lot of it was just kind of like, I think, unfortunately, people that are true believers a little bit too much. But
fair enough.
Tough. I get it. Trust me, we've all been there. We've all held on to something longer than we should have. All right, Palantir. This is another one that I saw after the earnings pop. It was pretty good, honestly. The earnings were great, 49% revenue growth. But anytime a stock gaps up like this, from what I've been reading, I kind of expected it to come back down and fill the gap. Dylan will talk a little bit about how there's open orders basically in that range that need to be met before the stock can kind of truly continue the trend. So that was my thought process in putting this play on. Not a very risky play. So same thing. I opened it for a 1 week. I sold the open. Let's see. Sorry, the 2350 puts, and then I bought the 2450 puts against that. So it cost me $33 to put this play on. My max loss is that $33 that I paid out. Anyway, max gain is $67. As of Friday close, I'm down about $10 in this position. So we'll see. It depends on what sort of week Palantir has. But if they come back down a little bit, I think this position could make me at least a little bit of money.
Yeah, I think I'll make you a little bit of money.
Yeah.
This one's I'm proud of you for taking this one. Look at you being a swing trader.
Well, I'm trying to learn. $33 for a lesson, That's like Rosetta Stone prices.
Yeah, that's not bad. So clearly they gapped up. They're above their 200 moving average, which would be a bullish sign. They're kind of the range is 25.75 to 23.57. So you're really looking to see if it breaks out of which range. We put in a hammer on volume, which would usually be a good sign. But the problem is with these stocks, it can be very market dependent. So if the market has a down day, this puppy's going back down. It's just going to do something that's called fill the gap here. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I've kind of been reading about. I personally haven't traded one of these yet, so a little learning lesson.
Yeah, I think your Nikola one's good for sure. I think this one's, we'll see.
Yeah, I don't know. The Nikola one, in order to be at max profit, would have to hit like $9 by Friday, and I don't know if that's going to happen. If Nikola bounces to 12, that'd be great because it'd be a good opportunity for me to put the trade back on because I'm pretty positive in my convictions on this one.
Yeah, me too. I think we're good.
All right. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Just let us know what you think about these kind of little scalp trades, swing trade with option spreads, and
have a good one.
Work out.
See ya.